Siempre sale más guapa la que corre delante del zombie, pero se lo pasa mucho mejor el zombie.
Menú para zombies. Hamburguesa triple X.
Aquí tienes, como a ti te gusta. Asqueroso.
And he found a dog with no training. We trained her for about a month before we started shooting, and she was fantastic. I hope so. That would be great.
Half of you are on a strike because you are...
Yes, that's right. The strike is terrible, and it's going to go on, I think, for quite a long time. But it's important because writers need to be paid for what they do.
It's a lot darker than the films that I usually make. It was definitely a different mindset for me to play a character.
I will be at the South Street Seaport every day at midday when the sun is highest in the sky.
There's dog treats inside the bag. There's maps. There's water.
Something illegal?
No, nothing. No, nothing illegal inside the bag. But at this point, soy leyenda. Everything is legal. Gracias.
Els del cinematògraf hem agafat el pont aeri per anar a entrevistar a Will Smith. L'actor va ser a Madrid la setmana passada per presentar Soy Leyenda, la nova versió cinematogràfica de la novel·la de Richard Matheson.